Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm starting the channel all over again. Today I'll be showing you guys an updated version of my skincare routine. I posted a video a long time ago of my skincare routine and the things that I use for my skin. Right now I don't have anything on my face. I just came out the shower. I have a lip balm on though, you know. So I'm gonna put on my hair and just get started. I got this braids done in Nigeria, y'all, okay? I was not gonna pay the African sisters here no $200 for my braids, so I just went to Nigeria and got it done for $100. And I tipped the sisters great. So let's get into it. So clean face, you know, freshly washed. First thing I'm gonna do is use a toner. The toner I'm using right now is from Glow Recipe. All right, you can tell it's about to be done. I need to get a bigger one. Shake it, pour a little bit on my hand, pat it together, and just pat it on my face, just like this. Like I pat it into my face. I don't rub it on my face, basically. So you pat it into your face. I don't like to rub my toner in. I like to just pat it in and I let it just dry out. Just like that. I just pat it into my face. You know, I don't rub it into my face. The next thing that I go in with is my vitamin C serum. The one that I'm using is from Naturium. Okay, it's the vitamin C complex serum. Okay, I shake this too. I feel like I shake everything. I'm shaking. I do like 2 pumps on my fingers, rub that together, and then rub that into my skin. Okay, I do go under my eyes also. I never forget that area. I rub that into my skin and then I bring it down to my neck. Rub it in my skin, bring it down to my neck. Okay, just like that. All right. I let it dry down a little bit and I follow that with my Go Molecules Hyaluronic Serum. Okay, you can tell I'm running out of that too. So I do just what I don't do is I make sure this doesn't touch my face. Like the applicator, I don't let it touch my face because I feel like you might transfer some type of bacteria from your face to your fresh product. So I just put that on my face, 1, 2, and just like that, and then I rub it in. I never forget my neck, y'all. Okay, guys, when you take care of your skin, make sure you don't forget your neck, okay? This face has to match your neck, all right? Yeah, all right? And then I let that sit there for like a couple of minutes. Then, yeah, I know. I follow with a Glow Recipe Watermelon Serum, niacinamide, dewdrops. I do shake it. 1 pump, 2 pump, yeah, if it comes out. 1 more, let's do 1 more. Oh, my hands are slippery. Am I running out? Oh gosh, I'm running out, guys. But I'm gonna get the best out of it. I have to go get another one for sure. That's how much I'm using it, y'all. Like, I need to go get another one. Take it down to my neck. See if I can get a little bit more out of that. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, wow, I did. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, then bring that down to my neck. This product makes your skin glow. Okay, let me just say that. Like, even before you apply your moisturizer on your skin, this Glow Recipe product, especially like this one, the watermelon dewdrops, you guys can go get this. Like, this is a really good product. It literally makes your skin glow. Like, your skin is glowing when you use this, you know. I rub that in, and look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I know, right? And then I just let that sit for like a couple more minutes. Then I go with my Inkless eye cream. Okay, this is just for my eyes. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, there we go. Just for my eyes. That's all I use it for. So, all right. I say just a little, like that, under here, then I go around. I feel like if we use it for the bottom, use it for the top too. I mean, that's just my way. And the way it's been working for me, no dark circles, so must be working good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing that. Some people use it for just under the eyes, like right here, and I get that. It's supposed to get that, but then it's like, imagine you taking care of under here, and what about up here? I feel like a lot of people, when they put stuff all over their face, they forget like right here too. So I try to not forget and just do both. All right, wow, skin is feeling really supple right now. I feel like I have baby skin at this point. Feels like a baby's, you know what. Okay, and then after that, I go in with my COSRX all-in-one cream. This is like a moisturizing lotion. I just got this right here is slippery, y'all. Okay, all right, it's, yeah, it's very slippery. So I put that on my face and then rub it in also. Not forgetting neck, my neck, my back. Yeah, I have to remember all of this. Mind you, what I have on my lips is just a Vaseline lip balm. Yeah, that's it. That's what I have on my lips. Vaseline lip balm. And sometimes I use my Japanese lip balm that I have too. All right, so that's it. This is all I do for my face, and has it looking like this. Okay, that's all I do for my face. I try not to. I think the one secret I would suggest is every time you wash your face or every time you come out of the shower, do not use your towel to dry or pat down your face. I suggest using a paper towel. That's what I always use. If you have like another towel, like a separate towel completely that you're going to be using just for your face, I would suggest that too, because you don't want to transfer whatever is on your towel. You know, you're not washing your towel as soon as you use it. You're going to leave it somewhere and maybe use it another day. I don't know how you guys do your towels at home, but my suggestion for your face is always use a clean, fresh towel. So I suggest a paper towel. It's just better. You could use maybe 1 sheet, 2 sheet, no, whatever dries your face. I mean, whatever dries up your face. So that's what I always do. I use 1 sheet of paper towel on my face every time I come out the shower. I never use my own towel on my face. I just use a paper towel. It works for me. I'm gonna keep doing that. All right. And then if I'm not using the Glow Recipe toner, I use the Paula's Choice exfoliating toner. I use that on my face too. All right. This is a really good product too. 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is really good also. It's almost done. Now, when I go in the shower, I use this body wash for my body. This is from OGX. It's the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub. This is not the only scrub that I use in the shower, by the way. I have another one that I use from Tea Tree. It's the Shea Sugar Scrub. It's really good. It's really phenomenal. Like, this keeps your body smooth. Any type of, well, I don't want to say any type of scrub, but I just feel like you should always exfoliate your skin in a shower. You know, people use washcloth. If you want to, go ahead, you know, whatever works for you. But me personally, I would rather exfoliate my skin. So I use exfoliating gloves in the shower. I don't use a sponge, and I don't use a washcloth. I use an exfoliating sponge. You know, those ones, they look like gloves. I buy those all the time. That's what I like to use for my skin. That's what I love. I prefer that. This is another shower body wash that I use. It's from Naturium. This one is the Perfected Salicylic Acid Body Wash. Okay, this is really good too. You can tell I'm almost done with it. I use that also. Then for my skin, like body lotion and stuff, I use this Ole Henriksen. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but
my name is actually Ole Henricksen.
I use this Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer. This is $38 at, I don't know if it's Sephora or Ulta, but this is 38 bucks. This is good. See, I have to get another one. I'm almost running out. I don't want a situation like the Glow Serum that's almost done, so I need to get another one. But it's $38. It's gonna cost your sister a pretty penny. But yeah, 38 bucks, but it's really good. It really works. All right, I just came across this and I decided to use it, and it was good, and I love it. So now I'm definitely gonna pick up another one. And then what I do is I use this first, and I go over with this. If you don't have this in your skincare kit or in your shower, like, or after shower kit, I don't know what to tell you, but I feel like you need to get this, guys. Like this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil, genius. It's really good. I have it on right now. See, like, it's very, very, very good. You guys need to get one. And then sometimes if I don't use the body oil, this is what I use. There's no label. Guess what it is, guys? There's no label on it. So it's the African shea butter. Like, this is the OG, this upper echelon right here. Like, this the 5-star #1. It started before any and everybody. This was first. Smells amazing. I got this from Africa. Okay, my mom got me this. I'm gonna need her to give me like a few more. I just started using it. You see, like, it's still pretty like full. I'm still, I'm just starting with it, but this is really good. I always rub this on my hands because I have really dry, sensitive skin. So I put this on my hands because I don't like my hands being dry and ashy. I don't like that. I don't like ashy hands. So I always have to use that. And then mouthwash. After I brush my teeth, I don't do it immediately. I brush my teeth because that's not really good for your gum. I do it like maybe before breakfast. I definitely do the mouthwash before breakfast. Not as soon as I, brush my teeth, but before I eat my breakfast, I'm going to do a mouth rinse, a mouthwash. And you could do oil pulling too. You could use coconut oil as oil pulling. It whitens your teeth. Yeah, like, it works. All right, so these are the things I use in my skin, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my page. I would really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Bye. See you guys next time. Thank you for subscribing. Later.